What is going on YouTube? GCal Games here, and today we're back to another video. And on this video, we're going to be playing Encounters yet again. Now, a lot of you asked me to play this game again because my last video you guys really enjoyed of me playing Encounters. And ever since my last video, I got some new characters. I've been playing this game a lot. It's honestly really fun. Roblox has been really bad lately for me. And Encounters just has been so much fun playing with friends as well. So, you know, we're going to be playing some more Encounters. I'm going to be showing you guys some new characters that I got. As you can see, I leveled up a little bit ever since last time we played. Mostly I was playing casual, so didn't really level up as much. But today, we're going to be playing over here, competitive. I'm going to be using Pack 2, and hopefully by the end of this video, we can get a new character. So my goal right now is to get the guy with the chainsaw. I forget his name right now. And for those who don't know, Pack 2 is like a JoJo inspired character. Because in this game, they don't have anime characters or anything. They have like these people-ish thing, like you see over here. This guy has a stand, pretty dope. Charm Mag 2, he's an ice dude. And then let's just go honestly. You guys will see while we fight, for those who didn't watch my other video. And basically this guy can like time stop. He has like literally he has Star Platinum, or like the Star Platinum mixed with the world, and somebody already died. Okay, she already killed herself. I mean, I'm not complaining. I think this guy's better for me to play safe a little bit. Oh, he's coming towards me. I'm already gonna activate stability because it has a longer startup, longer activate. Okay, there you go. Boom, 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 boom. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here, bozo. Okay, don't throw that ice. Okay, he's probably new to the game if he is not really using that properly right there. Oh, damn it, I missed it. Move him away again. Move him away again. Okay, come on, get closer, bro. Get closer. Move. Okay, so he does not do great damage, so I'm doing good right now. As you can see, he's at 170 right now. And I'm gonna put my ultimate on him just for the fun, you know, just for the memes. There we go. We pulled that on him. I think I'm gonna try it one more time, you know, pulling out my ultimate on him. You too. You can get some of this ultimate. Put some of that energy, you already know. There you go. Pull them away too, right there. Okay. I'm gonna charge some more stamina real quick. Okay, my time stop failed. Okay, well, I'm gonna try to get this girl out right now. Wow, right there. Okay, this dude is being annoying. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna turn on my this. Oh god. Okay, she kind of saved me actually. She got me out of the battle, so that's nice. I'm gonna go and start this up. Move away, please. Thank you. This can go and grab you, and then we can be like boom. There we go. One more hit on someone. There we go. Oh god. No, that thing changed my ultimate. I was gonna die anyways after you pushed me, so it's not really that much big of a deal. But whatever. Let's go back. Oh shit, I almost got hit with the teleportation knives. Okay, stop time. And boop. And then we punch her away. Oh no, I punched her to another island. That's so stupid. Okay, come back. Why'd you teleport away? Bro, why are you teleporting away? Come on, people. Okay. There we go. Oh, okay. I should have maximized that damage and punched them instead of back away, please. Thank you. Back away, thank you. Back away, bro. Back away. Okay, somebody gotta get hit. Yeah, you get hit by this. Okay, oh my god. Literally drained my thing. This is so stupid, the fact that it drains your stuff as well. It's so annoying. Okay, the more hits, the better. So this move would not be a good one to charge ultimate. There we go. Go. Boom. There we go. On that one. Boom. Okay, back away. Oh my god. There we go. She's taking that damage even on my ultimate already right now. Let's go, everybody. Let's go. Turning on my time stop. There we go. Okay, push her away. There. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just trying to survive as much as possible. Trying to get somebody to one thing would be great right now. I think I'm gonna jump to this girl. She doesn't seem like she's the best one at the game right now, so we're just gonna, you know, try to kill it. Okay, no, that one died. Okay, so we got somebody with 1 HP. I'm gonna try to get somebody with 1 life, another person with 1 life as well, because these people are doing barely no damage, so we got a pretty good chance, I would say, guys, of winning. So as long as we play our cards right. So right there, that was not a good strategy because we got in the middle of all of them, took tons of damage. So I'm just gonna go over here and then push her away as well. Bro, okay, there we go. No, I got pulled by her. Okay, that's fine. We might be able to get her out right now, guys. We might be able to. Okay, if we play our cards right, we can push her out right now. Okay. I'm not being able to focus while recording the video, and I had low stamina. Damn it. Okay, that's fine. We have 2 health. She's pretty low. Ice Dude is also pretty low. We might be able to get both of them to 1 HP, 1 life left, because the other girl only is already dead actually. Okay, there we go. Boom. Push her away, please. Oh my god, that dude with the ice is so annoying right now. No, I think I'm gonna back away because I'm taking a couple. Actually, no, I'm not taking that much damage. Forgot the dude doesn't do much damage. Oh god, he just pulled my bar back to 0. What an idiot. Okay, let's run faster, closer to him. No, damn it, failed. Bro, he's gonna keep throwing that thing at me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, okay. You know what? Fine. I'm just gonna stay back then, cause I can't. He keeps running away, and I'm just gonna end up with no stamina. Perfect timing for him to push me off. Damn it, that did not work out as I planned. Bro, he's just gonna spam that ice thing instantly. Oh my god, he used the ultimate again. Oh my god, oh my god. Yeah, I'm dead. There's no way I'm coming back from this. I think I might be well if I play safe. Oh my god, yeah, I wasn't coming back. Okay, I'm gonna try to play safe now, and I'm gonna stay back in my island. Let them kill themselves over there. I'm gonna stay back over here in my little corner. Hopefully they won't kill me, because I only have 1 life, and I don't feel like taking damage. She can get the ice dude out right now. That would be great. Get the ice dude out, and then we should be pretty set. So let's just okay, so let's just watch the fight thing. Honestly, guys, that's gonna be probably our best bet, because right now it's getting really difficult. I'm gonna stay back here and watch the fight. Honestly, turn this on. Oh my god, bruh. Oh my god, not again, bro. How do you get his ultimate so fast? Do that 30 damage only though, so we're fine. You know, I'm actually gonna hop into the fight because I also don't want the video to be boring for you guys. So we're just gonna turn it on, and we're gonna, you know, boom, boom, boom. Oh my god, I gotta get my thing back. There we go. Oh my god, what? Oh my god. Okay, okay, she's gone. No, what the hell? How isn't she gone? Now she's gone. Okay, if she wasn't gone then, I was just gonna freak out already, because like, how can you not be gone after that? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. There we go. Jeez. Now I'm gonna let them fight each other, honestly, because she can probably take him out without my help, and then I can do the rest after. So just let her do the job. She can actually hit him, honestly. Bro, come on, it isn't that hard to. Oh, there you go, there you go, there you go. Okay, he's gone, I think. Yeah. Oh shoot, oh shoot. Nah, maybe not, maybe not, maybe not. Okay, so he's a goner. Okay, hopefully he won't spawn in on me. No, he spawned on the side of me. Okay, I'm gonna walk back now, and I'm gonna try to just not be with them. Any of them, actually. I don't want to be in a fight with any of them. I think we're just gonna try to play safe, honestly, guys. I'm just gonna play safe. Play safe. Now they're both coming towards me. I think I'm gonna try to draw attention to each other. Yeah, let them fight each other. Let them fight each other. Now I'm just gonna, you know, try to time stop her. Oh, she just did the biggest mistake of his life right there. I thought I was gonna be able to punish her with that. Oh god, hit her once. Okay, chill, my dude. Chill, my dude. I don't want to go for you right now. Chill, just chill, my dude. Just chill. You know, you're the ice dude. You should just chillax, you know? You know? Okay. Okay, chill. Chill, my dude. Chill. Chill, my dude. Chill. We're gonna go back to our base, guys. We're gonna go back to the base. Because I don't want to fight that dude right now. Hopefully he'll go for her. Oh. Bozo, stop trying to go for me. There you go. Ice dude is gonna go for it. The kill. That's for me, you know. Maybe I want to think about third partying, maybe. Because, you know, third partying is fun. Oh god. There you go. Coming back. No, I don't. If she can do some more damage to them, that would be great. But she's missing all her attacks. She can just do more stuff. We should be set, honestly. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, I'm running out of stamina. Those moves takes a lot of the stamina, or energy I should say, so I do not want to run out of that. Okay. Oh my god, bruh, stop. That ice dude is being annoying now, and he's coming for me. Oh god. Ice dude is so damn annoying right now. I'm gonna come back. Okay, there you go. I almost ran out of stamina there. Just realized I had 5. Is he gone? Wait, he just used his ultimate. This could be my chance, guys, actually, right now. Okay. Oh god. That took a lot of damage. Okay, god. One more. Okay, there you go. Let me activate ultimate. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, 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 guys. This could be our chance. Oh my god, guys. No! No! No, I ran out of stamina! No! Oh my god, guys. That was so dumb. But you know, guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a like. You know what you guys gotta do. And I'll see y'all next time. Peace.